G'day, I'm Josh from Delfast, and in this video we explain how to clean your Delfast air-powered batten stapler. First of all, we'll need some tools for the cleaning process. A clean cloth, screwdriver, Allen keys, hammer, vise, 1200 grit sandpaper, punch, Delfast cleaner and Delfast air tool oil. Right, let's get started. Disconnect the air hose and unload the fasteners. Unscrew the exhaust cap, then unscrew the 4 screws on the black cap and remove. Place the black cap on the vise, making sure a gap to allow a rubber bumper, spring and valve to be removed. Punch the rubber bumper until it falls freely along with the spring and valve. Take the black cap and turn upside down. Spray Delfast cleaner and wipe clean. Look inside the cap for any determined residue and break free with flathead screwdriver. Take a piece of fine 1200 grit sandpaper and sand around the outer side of the black cap, taking off any wear and build up of residue for smooth finish. Once you've finished sanding, clean area with Delfast cleaner. Using Delfast air tool oil, place oil on the valve inner O-rings area. Now you can assemble the cap back together, with spring first, followed by the valve and bumper. Press firmly to put into place. Sometimes a hammer and punch is required to complete this part. Now remove piston and driver from the tool and using Delfast air tool oil, place oil around the O-ring. Insert piston driver back into the tool. Lightly oil the servo control valve and fasten the black cap back onto the body of the tool. Screw exhaust valve back on top. Finally, drop 10 drops of Delfast air tool oil down the air connection fitting. Your tool is now ready for more hard work. Thanks for watching and visit delfast.com for more videos.